Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is the new Samsung Tab S6 Lite. This is the 2022 model. You can see here that it is the 2022 model, and as you can see is the month and year of import and manufacture of June 2022. In the box content you can see a warranty card, some user manual type documentation, and what are you getting? Your device, USB cable, USB power adapter, and one more, the Samsung S Pen, which I am showing. So this is the charger what we will be getting from that box. This is a normal 15-watt charger, which is not enough to charge your device. It is a slow charger, but your device can support charge up to 25 watt, I guess. It supports fast charging 25 watt. So this is a device. This is the third party back cover that I get installed on. So as you can see, this is the tab. This is the whole interface of that tab. This is the S Pen. What cool I thought in this tab is that it only cost me around 23,000 rupees, but the features are of unbelievable. That means you get an out of the box S Pen with it. It's so amazing. You can write your notes, jot it down notes, or you can just draw anything you want to. And one more feature you can see is that you are getting this tablet software information. See, Android version 13. My phone with which I am recording this video is running on Android version 12, and this is Android version 13 and One UI version 5.0. Do you know how secure the tab and how updated the tab is? And one more thing, you can also see that this tab runs on not on though this tab launches 2020, but it uses Snapdragon 7. Now you can see this Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor. So what my basic saying from this tab is that when I first time go to the market to see this tab for buying, the first question that I come to my mind is that it's a old tab, whether should I buy or not. Many of the questions you might have also been asking to you whether you are buying for, but you know one thing, that this tab, okay, the features are unbelievable, but it's a 2022 tab, so you just know